Hello, everybody out there. It's been a quite while. I was trying to connect everybody virtually. Yes, this word has been so much in us now that whenever we say, let's connect, we say virtually. So, the reason why I was trying to connect with all of you out here is in this pandemic, reading is such a habit which everybody has inculcated. So, as though I usually not read much, but yes, while a day ago, I was going through a blog. I would not like to say which blog it was, where it was, but the content and specifically the heading says the HR professionals being replaced by the techniques and technology. Being a HR person, I usually say HR, but I believe that human resources, are more importantly called as human capitals. Resources can be exhausted, capitals cannot be. So, being a human capital professional from last 14 years, I have learned this much that yes, we are meant to care all employees out there in the organization, make them feel comfortable in the organization with our wellness and well-being programs. Technologies, or I would say tools, are meant to drive them, not to rely on them in such a way that we cannot move a step ahead without them. I thought of sharing this thought with everybody and specifically human capital professionals that have you ever thought that people or the organization heads who are now trying to replace the human capital professionals with technologies are doing this, but why are doing this? They are doing this. We know, everybody know. Today, the payroll specialist people are not very much required in small startups or I would say mediocre startups. The reason is they do have techniques and technologies out there which can manage payroll and more efficiently without error. But have you ever thought the people who are heading the organization does require people at one point of time when they have people who are joining their organization, when people who are exiting from their organization, they do need people who will be standing there holding their hands who are exiting and coming in the organization, welcoming them wholeheartedly, and as well when they leave the organization they hold their hands and say, hey, we are here to serve you. Anyway, in any time, any future, where you need us, we are here. That essence, that feel, that comfort, which a human person can give to an human, technology can never give. Yes, I would say, and I believe, strongly believe, that technologies are required and it's an upcoming future in human resource or human capital stream as well. But the reliability on these techniques and tools should not be that much that we as in professionals should forget this, that we are here to drive them. They are not here to drive us. The day we need somebody to stand out in front of us and ask, how was your day? Technology cannot do that. At one point of time during the tenure in the organization, any human resource would be needing a touch, a care, a wellness program or a well-being program which talks about them, which talks about how they feel in the organization, which talks about their growth in the organization. And this can only be done when people are there to support them, to understand them. So we as in human capital professionals or HR professionals, let's gear up and let's join hand to make us technology enabled, not dependent on technology. Until we meet next time virtually, I would love to meet in person as well, but yes, searching and seeing this scenario of pandemic, I would love to meet virtually as well. Until we meet next time, stay healthy, stay safe, work hard, and yes, learn how to equip yourself with technology. Don't be driven by technology. Drive technology as hard as you can. Take care.